Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my review video for this brand new product called Geminii that's been brought out by my good friend Jono Armstrong. Guys, this is a 3-day launch. Today is the 1st of June. It's going to be going on for 3 days. The front end is only $27. What do you get for $27? You get full training and an amazing software that helps you start being able to do list building in a proper way. I'm in the members area here. You can see there's an overview, there's software, there's the software which I'll show you in a moment. There's all the training that you need and all the traffic that you need to be able to start sending money to start sending traffic to your squeeze pages. So here's the Geminii app. The Geminii app is a 3-part series. It's firstly an autoresponder. So instead of paying a monthly autoresponder fee, you can have this autoresponder will collect leads for you, and you'll have a free autoresponder that integrates with Mailgun, and it's really powerful. Saves you a lot of money. You can start using that immediately. The second part is the form builder. The form builder is where you can create amazing forms. It's fully drag and drop, where you'll be able to see, very similar to ClickFunnels and very similar to lead pages, but again free. And the third are the email click boost app. That's where you can put elements like timers, videos, and a whole lot of elements into your emails. So this is the software side, is the autoresponder that you're going to be getting. This autoresponder is a piece of software that allows you to communicate with your list. The email click boost app, which are all the different elements that go into the email. There we go. Let me just show you. No elements found, but let me just show you the elements. Jono uses them a lot in his emails. That's where you can put videos, GIFs, videos, yes, no bar, feedback, polls, Q&A, group event polls, countdown timers, scarcity bars. I'm sure you've seen Jono uses scarcity bars and countdown timers. All of these sort of timers in your emails. You set them up with HTML, and in the training, Jono will show you exactly how to use it. And there's the training. As I said, the training, the main thing about that Jono's addressing is that all the one-click products that are coming out, they may or they may not work. It's still to be proven, but email marketing certainly does work. And in this, it's going to be a 3-day launch. It's $27. As I said, you get the training, you get an autoresponder, you get the elements that you can put into the autoresponder, and you get the squeeze page software here, the squeeze page software. Let me show you quickly the funnel. So the front end is $27, as I said, $27. Then there's upgrade one is $47, downgrade one's $37, upgrade to 67 is 67, downgrade to 47, upgrade 397, downgrade 367. Then the big upgrade 197. So as I said to you, on the 1st of June, that's today, goes live at 9 a.m. $27.95 for the first 30 hours. Then it starts going up. It's a simple cloud-based autoresponder, the Geminii email marketing toolbox, squeeze page generator. Upgrade one, unlimited everything, while the front end is limited to 2 squeeze pages and only 3 features of the email toolbox. This upgrade will get you 4 additional squeeze pages plus all the features of the toolbox that I showed you. So that's upgrade 1. Upgrade 267, advanced training. Jono will show you how to get insane traffic from AdWords using the Google Display Network and Gmail ads, like having your own, it's like having another autoresponder getting into people's email boxes. Upgrade 3 DFY campaigns times 7. You get 7 proven DFY campaigns, Jono's most successful campaigns. Upgrade 4, high ticket DFY funnels and limitless training. Huge value. Once again here, users get direct access to Jono's AdWords audience by placing pixels on Jono sales pages. So this is the limitless traffic where you be able to put your pixels onto Jono's pages and get it build up your pixel and your audience in a huge way very quickly. And upgrade 5 is reseller's license, so you can resell this as your own. So let's just show you again, just so we can wrap this up. I know that you guys are busy. The Geminii software is the autoresponder. The autoresponder where you can send unlimited, you can upload unlimited emails. It integrates with Mailgun, which is very, or any SMTP that you want, but Mailgun is particularly well priced. It's $5,000 emails free for the first 3 months, and then 80 cents per 1,000 emails sent. You get the email boost app, so you get those elements, and you get the form builder. Let's quickly look at the sales page so you can have a quick look at it. Geminii unleash the reality of push button profits. Breakthrough 3-in-1 software. 3-in-1 software generates 3 to 4 figure profits every time we press the activate button. Create wildly profitable lists without expensive monthly tools. You're saving without the experience that you're getting the training without the expensive tools is that it comes with it. So you can go through the sales page at your own time. You can see there's a whole lot of testimonials that he starts off with. There's a great amount of earning proof, but Jono's really gone to show, and I think it's very important, is that a lot of the softwares just take a long time to start working, and they may work or they may not work. We know that email marketing works really amazingly well. Jono's the top guy on Warrior Plus because of email marketing, and that's why he's created the software. So for $27, guys, it's a huge it's just a great deal. It's only going to be available for 3 days. It's huge value where you get the training, you get the autoresponder, you get the elements, and you then are able to even download all your leads that come through to put them into another autoresponder if you want. The software itself is very powerful. I played around with it. It definitely works. And it's a 3-day launch. Guys, it's $27. So look out at 9 o'clock for the launch. I wish you all the best of luck. I know that it's going to be really help you a lot. Saul Maraney in Cape Town, South Africa. And as soon as Geminii comes out, go get it. You'll see my bonuses below. I've got some really nice bonuses. And I wish you all the best of luck. Cheers.